At IEI, we build edge platforms that quietly enable smart functions across real-world systems. Our solutions transform production lines, enhance medical care, and make the world more connected and secure. But sending all that data to the cloud, it's too slow. That's why we bring intelligence to the edge. In smart factories, AI inspection systems enable unmanned operations and data visualization, driving the realization of Industry 5.0 goals. In the digital healthcare environment, AI-assisted systems perform visual analysis to enhance diagnostic efficiency and success rates. In next-generation network environments, AI-enabled platforms are deployed to accelerate data processing, enhance cybersecurity resilience, and support real-time services at the edge. With a monthly production capacity of over 100,000 boards and 60,000 systems, our scalable platforms are trusted by industry leaders worldwide. Quality is at the core, from component selection and testing to manufacturing, delivery, and full after-sales support. More than just hardware, we deliver integration, flexibility, and global support. Although we are honored to have received many global accolades, we continue to expand our capabilities through powerful partnerships. Together with partners, we co-create a smarter, more resilient world. We stand for sustainability, cybersecurity, and long-term reliability. Built to last, built for tomorrow. Our P-shirt, as a first member, delivers rapid and reliable threat response. We partner with researchers to strengthen product and data security.